Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you why 99% people fail in affiliate marketing. So I will give you 5 main reasons that most people fail in affiliate marketing. Before I start this video, I have a giveaway. So I have a email marketing course on Udemy. So you can get a free coupon for that course. Basically only you have to do is add the comment below on this video. So I will pick one comment randomly and give a free coupon to get email marketing course. So put your comment below and I will review them in next week. Okay, let's start the video. The first reason is follow advice from fake gurus. There are a lot of fake gurus on YouTube and other social media platforms. If you follow advice from those fake gurus, you will end up by wasting your time and energy by promoting your affiliate URL all over the internet. As example, if someone say create ClickBank or JVZoo or Digistore24 account and get the affiliate URL and put that affiliate URL all over the internet or put it on Facebook groups, DM to people on Pinterest or share that URL on forums or other platforms, don't do that, because you need to build the trust before you put your URL, put your affiliate URL. If you just put your affiliate URL on Facebook groups or any other place without giving value, you will just waste your time and you will only become a spammer. So those fake gurus show their result of affiliate marketing by sharing a screenshot of their earnings and telling those type of short-term methods or those type of spammy methods. Then lot of followers try to do those methods, and so when everyone try to do those short-term method and make easy money, the competition will be increased and no one will make any dollars. So don't trust those fake gurus and don't trust their word. You can find those fake gurus by doing little bit search on internet. You can search about their personalities and about their methods, and you can find that method is a valid or fake one. So don't try to follow those fake gurus. The second thing that most people fail is find shortcut and try to find easy money. So in affiliate marketing, it's easy to register with affiliate network like ClickBank or Digistore or any other affiliate platforms and get the affiliate URL to promote on the internet. So lot of people try to do this and get affiliate URL, then add that affiliate URL in all over the internet. Basically they will comment that affiliate URL in all post on Facebook, and they will DM their affiliate URL to Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn and other social media platforms, but unfortunately they will never make any dollars by try to doing this shortcut or try to doing these short methods, because as I told before, the competition is really high for those shortcuts. So social media users will get lot of this kind of promotions and maybe they will buy it from the first time, but if you not the first one who reach those people, you will not make any dollars. So always try to do the long term and stable methods. As example, you can build your email list by providing valuable information, and you can create a YouTube channel, create a Facebook group, LinkedIn profile, Instagram account, Pinterest account, and build your brand and give value to your targeted audience. When you keep build your brand and give value, they will trust about you, and when you gain lot of followers, you can easily promote your products. Yes, it take time and you will not see the result within few months, but it way better than spamming other people's inbox and all over the internet. So don't try to follow shortcuts and try to do the long-term methods. The third mistake is stop being consistent. So consistency is the key to anything. If you promote any product on or promote any affiliate URL on today, and if you don't do it tomorrow, you will not see the result you want to see. So if you have a Facebook page, Instagram account or any other social media account, post them daily. So I am guilty of this consistency because I create a Instagram account and now I am not add any content to that Instagram account. So don't be like that. Just pick things that you're interested in. If you don't like to create Instagram post and don't like to engage with Instagram community or Instagram followers, don't try to promote affiliate products on Instagram. Instead, create Facebook group or Facebook page and maybe YouTube channel. So when you create few selected social media accounts or blogs, share daily content and be consistent. If you create a YouTube channel, at least upload video once a week. When you be consistent, your account will slowly grow and one day you will able to build trusted audience around your account. So consistency is the key to anything and it's 100% related to affiliate marketing. The fourth mistake is lost money by advertising. So if you try to promote your affiliate URL with paid traffic, you have to do different type of testing, because if you think you can just create Facebook ad campaign or YouTube skippable ad campaign and make lot of money, that's not the truth and that's not the reality. When you create the Facebook ad campaign, you have to try different keywords and different variations to find the right ad set. If you create YouTube skippable ads, you have to try it with different methods. So at first you have to spend lot of money to find the working ad set. So if you didn't see any sales by advertising the affiliate product, just don't give up. So you can try free methods and make dollars, or you can try different things to find the right ad set. So never give up when you lost your money. At least try to do the free methods. The fifth mistake is create affiliate accounts with fake details. As example, ClickBank is not supported to lot of countries. So I saw lot of affiliate marketers or lot of people try to use VPN and create accounts on those affiliate marketing platforms, but never do that, because if your affiliate marketing account banned, or if you're not able to log into your affiliate marketing account, you will lose your earn money. So don't try to do those fake stuff. Just create one affiliate marketing platform or one affiliate account with your real details and promote product only using that affiliate marketing account. So in that way, if you make sales and if your account got banned, you can just contact the affiliate platform and recover your account. So those are the reasons 99% people fail in affiliate marketing. I hope you get valuable information and make sure to comment below.